Hey, this is Mark, Australia's dating coach, and today we are talking about making a guy chase you and having a great relationship with the simplest concept that I think I've possibly ever contemplated in my own life. Like seriously, when I got this, when I actually finally absorbed this, I was just like, whoa. We're taught growing up by society, by movies, by Hollywood, by all the TV romance things, that things are supposed to happen in a kind of sequential order, right? We see attraction, we see someone we're attracted to, and then we see if there's connection, and then there's chemistry, and then there's relationship and love. We're taught this sort of basic sequence that if we can find the attraction, check out the chemistry, it's going to lead on to this sequence of a relationship and love. And it is the biggest misnomer that is ruining your relationships and stopping men chasing you than I think exists entirely in the entire dating relationship sphere. Okay, this stuff over here, all right, attraction, connection, chemistry. And this stuff over here, which is relationships and love. They are two entirely separate things. When I got this, I finally realized it. It's like this is Lord of the Rings and Harry Potter. Okay, Jamie Oliver, Gordon Ramsay, we've got Taylor Swift and Rihanna. They're completely different things. A relationship is a set of skills. We talked about some of these recently in our 7 standards to have a guy chase you and create a great relationship video. You know, a relationship is the skill of having a masculine feminine balance. It's the skill of impulse control. It's the skill of doing what you say, saying what you do. It's the skill of consistency. It's the skill of awareness, of boundary setting and personal responsibility. None of them have anything to do with this. When I started applying this in my own life, not just to relationships, but even to friendships, there is a completely different, there's like a giant wall in between. And this is how, using this second set of standards, is how you're making, or how you will make great men chase you. Because most women focus entirely on this stuff. Attraction, chemistry, connection, and assume that a relationship will just work. And it's BS. It's totally wrong. It's like thinking that you can read Lord of the Rings and then jump into Harry Potter and know exactly what's going on. It doesn't happen. When I really internalize the fact that there will be people that you have a great connection with, people who you have amazing chemistry with, but whom you cannot form a relationship with, it completely changed mine and my clients' lives. I started thinking, okay, I've met someone. Am I attracted to this person? Great. Is there connection and chemistry? Great. And only once I'd established if there was connection and chemistry did I start level 2 qualifying, which is, do they meet my standards? Are they capable of a relationship? I completely split the way I was meeting people, especially people I would date. And I started to see, wow, there's people I'm attracted to who have great chemistry, no relationship ability or skills or future whatsoever. And of course, you'll spot the opposite as well, but you won't get as far with the opposite people because the attraction's not there. The point is, you need both. And if you qualify men on this second set of things, this second set of traits, of ways they think of relationship skills, you will have great guys chasing you over and over again. Because the guy does not realize you're just sold on connection and chemistry. He's like, wait a minute, we have great connection, we have great chemistry, and she's still weighing me up for a relationship. And it's ongoing. That's the best part. These aren't boxes. The stuff over here, like chemistry, attraction, you can kind of tick those boxes, right? And then they're kind of done. This stuff is never done. This stuff is ongoing, and the guy always feels like you're qualifying him on that. Now, as I say, there's a video that you can look, the 7 standards to attract a great relationship. I'll put the link to that in the description. And don't forget, we've got the free texting guide as well, 12 texts to make him yours. That's in the description too. Have a look at both of those. And remember that when you qualify men in 2 parts, first, I see if I'm attracted and if there's chemistry. And second, I see if he meets my standards and is capable of a relationship. You will totally revolutionize the way men chase you, what you attract to your life, and the quality of relationships you have. Well, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that concept. It really is that simple. So thank you so much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure. Hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed. Big red subscribe button with a little bell as well. You have to hit the bell or you won't get the notifications. Give the video a thumbs up and leave your thoughts, comments, questions below. Thoughts, comments, questions below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this double qualifying concept. Let me know, put them in below. I'll get to as many as I possibly can.